Your CPU and GPU are no longer the most important parts in your build. They're the easiest to choose nowadays, especially since the market has been pretty stagnant for a while, and they actually characterize your build the least. What we really care about is case, cooling, power supply, the actual components that directly impact the reliability of your system, the performance of your system if we think about the all-in-one for cooling, or the case also for GPU cooling, and also shape how the PC is going to look. Sure, GPU model also matters for how the PC is going to look, but mostly you see the case and the all-in-one, especially if it has big screen or other unique characteristics. And that's exactly why I built these computers with those important parts from a brand you've probably never heard of before, if not in a few of my previous videos. And that's Sama. And that also brings me to think if in 2026 we are actually paying for PC parts or if we're just paying for brand names. Because very often, like, this stuff is way too cheap, but it's just as good, if not better, than most brand name stuff. So welcome back at ImWateringPSUs, and let's actually see what this build is all about. So this is a pretty standard build with a 1900X3D and an RTX 5070 I got on a Zeus model. It's a pretty cool model, but nothing crazy. We've seen it before. It's based on a B850 motherboard because buying a more expensive motherboard, as we discussed at length, is very often a waste of money unless you really need some specific features or unless you're into hardcore tuning, because even for some overclocking and undervolting, even for RAM, this build is plenty fine. And speaking of RAM, we've got some Corsair Vengeance RAM, 32 gigs, nothing crazy, and same for the SSD. We just bought whatever we could find at a decent price. Let's now get to the actual interesting parts. Let's start from the cooler. So the cooler is the Sama Q70. I have the box right here. And this thing, I could talk to you at length about how the fans are good quality, the RGB looks nice, it's very well made, and it cools very well our CPU. But nowadays, most all-in-ones cool your CPU very well. This thing has a magnetic screen which you can detach and place on your desk if you don't like your PC to have screens. You can either place it inside the case, as I'll show you I've done in the footage, but you can also just place it wherever you want outside, because in the box they give you an internal USB adapter and also an external USB adapter, so you can place it literally wherever you prefer. Now I left it inside the PC just to show you, but you can literally move it out if you dislike it. And they give you a placeholder white one so that it still looks decent and doesn't look empty. I've never seen anything like it before. I didn't know I needed it, but it actually makes sense, because sometimes you'd still like to have a widget with your CPU temperature, with whatever you may want to see. Since it's a fully programmable screen, you can put a lot of stuff there, and the software is very well made also. I'm going to show you they have a lot of pre-made faces. But the thing is, some people just want a clean computer, or they have a closed off case, so it would be a waste to have LCD inside. This way, you can just place it outside. Now you may be thinking, okay, that makes the only one really expensive. No, and that's the thing with today. The case, the only one, the PSU, they're really cheap because Sama is an OEM. Basically, the guys who produce the actual hardware. A lot of brands out there, they just do the branding and the marketing. They don't produce anything, and they don't even design it. Like, usually they design the aesthetic part, but they don't really design the functionality, or they have to rely on what the people at the factories are telling them. Sama is making those things from the ground up, which is why I've covered them quite a bit on the channel, because they're making good stuff and it's too cheap. It's so cheap, it's kind of suspect. But here's where you need to know how to buy. The power supply was really cheap, and it's an 850 watts unit, the G850 from Sama. It's cybernetics certified. You can scan it and you can check online certification. You can see the results from the tests. And now cybernetics is, I guess, taking the place of the 80+ certification. We're really seeing a lot more of cybernetics stuff, and I like how they deep dive certification and give you a QR code to scan. I think it's pretty interesting. And of course, once you actually get the unit and you see how heavy it is and how good the cables look, which they're not sleeved per se, but they look like they're sleeved. They're kind of like fancy flat cables, pretty much. You can tell that it's a good unit. But it's nice to have certification. You know, it's different to buy less popular but certified power supply compared to buy some unknown brand PSU that we don't really know what's inside. This also allows you to feel safe about how your PC is going to behave and how your electricity bill is going to be in the future. Same goes for the case. So curved glass all around. Really spacious case with 7 included RGB fans, plenty of I/O at the front. We have the USB-C, USB 3.1 audio jack, and of course reset/LED, plus the button, power on and off. And even that has a lit up Sama logo, and then all around, we have an integrated RGB strip, which is my favorite part of the case, paired with a tempered glass. Plus, of course, we have the infinity mirror on the side of all the fans, and obviously buying only one from the same brand as the case and with the same brand of the power supply, you will get this very nice all matchy theme. And nowadays, most PC brands, they basically want to own your whole PC. Like, they want you to buy as many components from them as possible. The problem is, usually they start as being good in something. For example, a brand could be good in water coolers, and then they just commission off the case to someone. So their water coolers are still good, but the case is very subpar, but they want to sell you more so you can have this environment, which is good. Again, if you have the same brand, it's better. But you end up having a few products which are not really up to standard. Well, that's not really the case with Sama, because they produce all of this and they come out really well. I know I'm very enthusiastic, but if you follow the channel, you know I'm rarely very enthusiastic, and I'm not getting any money from this. Just this disclaimer, I am if you buy from the affiliate links, but I do that in every video, and they're Amazon affiliate links, not Sama affiliate links. I just really like the products and I'm selling them to my clients and they are happy. So I'm recommending to you guys also, if you want to buy and sell computers, I think those are cheap, very easy to recommend, and I think you should buy them and build PCs with them. Especially since they also have this compartment on the back that makes cable management really easy. This build took me like 1 hour to build, which is pretty fast for a build with an all-in-one and a lot of hardware in general. Goes to show that it's a good case and well thought out all-in-one. The all-in-one also uses the same bracket for AMD and Intel. You just have to adapt the actual socket on the motherboard, the actual brackets for the sockets. You don't have to change how the all-in-one is shaped, which is faster. So this is just small design details that you can tell it's an OEM. You can tell it was thought out, you know? So with that said, I highly recommend you guys go out there and buy this Sama V62 case or the Q70 all-in-one or even the power supply. And yeah, you should build a PC with unknown components, because those are gonna be very much known in the near future, if you ask me. But as usual, especially if you guys had any kind of bad experiences with the brands I mentioned, please drop a comment down below. Or if you found the video interesting, also drop a comment down below. You may also want to drop a like and subscribe. You can also become a member to support the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.